Hello beautifuls, hope you're doing very fine and I hope your week was a very fantastic week. So today being on Monday, we are going to check on this braiding gel that is called SEDOSO braiding gel. What I love about SEDOSO braiding gel is that it is very smooth. It doesn't form white flakes. It is enriched with olive oil. You can use to style it also, style your hair, but for me I prefer using it while braiding. This product is designed to help with the braiding process. It also provides hold and smoothness, and possibly it adds shine. Braiding gel are often used to make the hair easier to manipulate while braiding, and they can help the braids last longer by providing an extra holder. I'll share some tips on how to use a braiding gel. One of the tips is apply a small amount. Start with clean, moisturized hair. Distribute the gel evenly. Use a fine toothbrush or a fine comb. Braid tightly. Avoid touching your hair. For this one, when I'm saying avoid touching your hair, once you're finished braiding, try to avoid touching your hair too much until the gel has dried completely. This will help prevent some frizz and help your braids look sleek and polished. Okay, so when somebody is applying this gel on your hair, please avoid touching it. Set with a scarf of bonnet or a bonnet to help your hairs your braids stay in place. You can wrap your hair with a silk of scarf or wear a bonnet overnight. This will help to protect your hair from friction, and then it will make it look so fresh. You'll not see it so untidy when you wake up. While braiding with this gel, it provides an extra holder, so you can braid your hair tightly against the scalp for a sleek and neat finish. That's why I like using SEDOSO braiding gel. Just be careful not to braid it too tightly, because it will make you force you use it to make it so tightly, because it makes it so neat. It brings it so firm and holder. Just be careful not to braid too tightly, as this can cause discomfort or damage to your client's hair and scalp. While using a fine toothbrush, this one is mostly when you have applied the whole hair, when you're not braiding the hair. After applying the gel, use a fine toothbrush, distribute the hair evenly and detangle your hair. This will help remove any knots or tangles and keep a smooth base of braiding. At least it will look very neat. When distributing evenly, work the gel through your hair evenly, making sure the coat each section that you'll be braiding. This will help ensure a smooth and sleek finish, a beautiful finish. Apply a small amount. Don't apply a lot of amount, just a smaller amount, and then you'll feel it on your fingertips. Rub it among your fingertips, then brush it on the scalp. What I like about this gel is clear. As you can see, it's very clear. It doesn't have it's not whitish, because it has some olive oil, so it doesn't make your hair have white flakes. Start with a small amount of gel. As a little goes on along your way, you can also add more if needed, but using too much can make your hair sticky and greasy, so don't use a lot of it, just a small amount of it. Start with a clean moisturizer. Make sure that the hair is very neat. Make sure the hair you're using on this is very neat. It is well dried and well conditioned. Your hair to remove any dirt or oil or product build up. Moisturized hair will be more manageable and less prone to breakage. Also, it depends on the type of hair you're using. Some hairs that doesn't go when on hand with this braiding gel, so it will refuse, or it will make it look so white. So when you're doing this hair, avoid it on 4C, hard natural hair. So kindly, those are the tips that I've shared with you. And if you want more tips about SEDOSO braiding gel, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and then thank you.